When mounting rigid conduit on flat surfaces, it's important to secure the conduit tightly with Garvin Industries malleable iron one-hole straps. These particular one-hole straps come in 1/2 inch through 4-inch sizes and are made from rugged malleable iron that's been zinc plated for corrosion protection. Typically these are used on masonry, brick, or block, and they simply mount this way. You mount the clamp back spacer, part number CLB50, in place and bolt it to the wall with the screw hole. Once you run your conduit in place, it nests and cradles right in the clamp back spacer. You then can secure the pipe to the clamp back spacer by placing the one-hole strap and using a screw to secure it to the wall. This gives a rugged install and tightly holds it and sets it off of the masonry, block, or brick. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.